ECB premises, one of the most preferable places for living in Dhaka city, is situated just beside the Dhaka cantonment. The southern part is well known as Manikdi Bazaar, where people can get all the essentials, and the same as to the northern side, namely as Machikata Bazaar. The west part is well known as Kalchamirpur. Nowadays, due to the convenient transport system from one place to another around the capital has made the place more acceptable. Being situated just close to the cantonment area, a large number of employees choose it not only for job purposes but also for their safety too. On top of that, lots of educational institutions offer better quality of education and thus can eventually relieve the ultimate pressure for the parents choosing the best opportunity for their kids. Also, for the kindergarten schools are offering qualityful education. Both in Matikata and Manikdi Bazaar, one can get the fresh produce with a